guys, Ritzy here, and today I'm going to be unboxing a trial deck of Cardfight Vanguard G and a booster pack box of Cardfight Vanguard G. So let's get to it. Now, I don't have a tripod for this, so this will be kind of cut and go from here. Okay. Hi guys, we'll just keep the camera here, and I'm going to open these packs of Ultimate Stride Vanguard Booster Pack 13 from Cardfight Vanguard G. Let's get to opening. First pack. Fake Bomber. Blue Wave Soldier Senior. Digisoulwings. DIGISOUL Liberator. Doombringer High Flame. Blue Wave Soldier. Bluegill Trooper. And the rare for this pack is Liberator Improved Falcon. And we got a G-Rare. Supreme Heavenly Emperor Dragon, a Sun Grave Dragon. Another a G unit. Go right there. And second pack. Open these babies up. Okay, first up, Blue Wave Marine General Melda. Powerful Flicker. Liberator, Board, and Dalusian. Savage Ranger. Mecha Instructor. And our first G-Guardian, Mixed Element Colburn. And a double rare, Blue Storm Supreme Dragon Lordly Maelstrom. Yeah, almost dropped a card there. Okay, another pack. Let's see here. Dragon Rider Genos. Buckshot Dragon Spread Armagama. Blue Wave Dragon Arsenal Fleet Dragon. Militant Act Dragon. Stealth Fiend of Unhappiness Shirasagi. And our rare for this pack is a G-Unit Holy Celestial Raguel. And another one, Cold-Blooded Advisor, Cunning Brain. Next pack. See here. Disciple Stealth Fiend Minosuke. Jet Power Dusty. Here's another one we've seen already. Easegall Liberator. Another one we've seen. Doombringer High Flame. And another one. Blue Wave Soldier, Bluegill Trooper. And a G-Guardian for this pack. Durable Barrier Hecaton Gaius. And a triple rare. Blue Wave Martial Dragon, Flood Hazard Dragon. So we're getting plenty of Aqua Force in this box. But there's also Kagero, Spike Brothers, and Gold Paladin in here too. Okay. Stealth Fiend of Enmity, Sodehagi. Antibody Pegasus. Lizard Attacker Conroe. Fire Chase Dragon. Plodme Liberator. And the rare for this pack, Black Carve Ezio. And a triple rare for this pack. Oh, I got a Gurgit! Master Swordsman of First Light, Gurgit Helios. Awesome, my first Gurgit. He's so pretty. Look at him. He's so pretty. Awesome. Sweet. Okay, let's see here. Laser Blackguard. Stealth Beast Siren Fox. Black Wisdom Sarahosa. Recuperate Draco Kid. Blue Wave Soldier, Brutal Trooper. And the rare for this deck is Heavy Bullet Dragon, Diablo Cannon. And ooh, I got a Z-Rare. Zeroth Dragon of Inferno, Drachma. Sweet! I got a Z-Rare. Awesome. Going over there. Okay, next pack. And it's open. Didn't find a thing. Okay. Let's see here. Another Laser Blackguard. Another Siren Fox. Another Osha. Another Draco Kid. Dr. Radlass. And first rare for this deck, Blue Storm Soldier, Elder Moss. And second rare, Blue Wave Marine General, Foibos. Yeah, let's drop it. We got here. Okay. Black Wing Dragon, Raven Petra. Prospective Starkey. Kind Care Sartail. Dragon Knight Ysar. Nutrient Angel. And the first rare for this one is Black Call Nakir, Angel Feather. And then the second one is Gateway Stealth Rogue Ataka, Murakumo. So we're getting a good pile of rares over here. So far we have 2 G Guardians, 5 G units, counting our Z rare. Yeah, so we're doing pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, let's see here. Stealth Fiend of Enmity, Sodehage. Battle Siren, Sipla. Savage Conjurer. Black Curse, Muriel. Plodmy Liberator. And another G Guardian this time. Blue Wave Arnold General, Galphilia. And a double rare, Giant Rising Great Star, Spike Brothers. Okay, we're halfway through the box, guys. Yay! Okay. Disciple Stealth Fiend, Minosuke. Jet Power Dusty, once again. Antibody Pegasus. Lizard Attacker Conroe. Fire Chase Dragon. And first rare is 6 Flowers of Phantasms, Shirayuki. And the second one is Stealth Rogue of Revenge, Obayoshi. Get these in order here. There. Okay. Next pack. Okay. Battle Siren, Sipla. Savage Conjurer. Black Curse, Muriel. Dr. Royd, Radlass. Stealth Fiend of Unhappiness, Shirasagi. And the rare for this one is Kelpie Rider Nikki. And a triple rare, Blue Wave Marshal, Valios. Ooh, awesome. So I got Valios and Gurgit now. Cool. Yay. I'm going to make an Aquaforce deck soon. Valios will definitely be a trump card. Definitely. Okay. Jet Power Dusty. Furious Hair Stealth Fiend Ikaku. Gliding Dragon Demor Glide. Black Talent Lila. Hospital Diet Angel. And another G Guardian, Holy Seraph Parashell. And a rare Prism Bird. So now let's see so far. We're back. And we have right now We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 rare, double rare, and triple rare, just shiny cards. Then we have our 5 G units. And then we have our 4 shiny G-Guardians. Look at them, aren't they pretty? Look at their shinies. So yeah, now on to opening the rest of the few packs. So yeah, let's get to opening. And we have Prompt Cheetah, Young Lion Liberator Romanus, Great Ken Dragon Heavy Arvine, Thermic Shot Nurse, Blue Wave Soldier Twin-Headed Shark. And the rare for this pack is Light Wave Dragon Casmaloops. Yeah, Casmaloops. And then a double rare is Stealth Fiend Tamayuki. Next pack. Let's see here. Stealth Beast Instant Swapper, Blue Wave Recruit Costly, Dragon Knight Name, Ajargal Liberator, Blue Wave Soldier Brutal Trooper. And the rare for this pack is Blue Wave Marine General Gallius. Double rare Liberator Shaggy Rabbit. Second to last pack, guys. We've almost opened an entire box. See here. Stealth Fiend of Entertainment, Senbei. Fake Bomber. Blue Wave Soldier Senior, Bragios. Dr. Royd Doritos. Dudley Schemer. And the rare for this pack is Grafting Celestial Judio. And the double rare is Dudley Cheers Lindsay. Okay, last pack. See here. Child Dragon Little Tyranno. Knight of Insulation Carnius. Burning Horn Evolute. Initial Celestial Rukio. Deadly Striker. And a G-Unit rare, Sweetly Smiling Ice Petal Shiryuki. And another rare, Knight of Sunny Day Salonius. So, we're done opening the box. Here's the box. And we got a big pile of commons over here. We have our triple rares. We have our double rares. We have our Z rare. And we have our regular rares, which is a pretty good stack of rares, as you can see there. Pretty good stack. Pretty good. Pretty good. But yeah. This is Z rare though. Wow. It's pretty cool looking. All shiny. Nice. Well, this is the video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe if you liked the video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!